Hi, I'm Kyle with Coats. The ProBalance E900 has several advanced balancing modes, and knowing when to use them makes all the difference. In this video, I'll show you how to choose the right mode for each situation and what to expect when you do. Behind the spoke mode is the right choice when you're balancing alloy wheels where appearance matters. Customers don't want to see tape weights across their spokes. I'm telling the balancer where the spokes are. The E900 then splits the correction into two hidden placements behind these spokes. Perfect balance, and the customer sees nothing but clean alloy. Static mode is best when it's only possible to hang one plane of weights, or coupled forces aren't critical. It's used with one weight at the center line, or either plane instead of two weights across the planes. This corrects vertical up and down vibrations, but not coupled unbalance. It's a compromise. Good when you want fewer visible weights like on a polished dually rim, but keep in mind it won't solve every ride issue. For larger, light truck, or even medium-duty wheels, use the light truck mode. These assemblies need heavier corrections and proper adapters to balance. I've selected light truck mode, I'm mounted with a pin plate adapter, and you can see it's asking for bigger weights. That's normal for heavier assemblies. The direct drive motor handles it with no problem. Finally, use ProMatch when a car has a persistent vibration issue that balancing alone won't fix. This mode measures runout, whether the tire or rim is slightly out of round. The roller shows me a high spot here in the tire and a low spot in the rim. I mark them, realign them on the tire changer, and remeasure. That reduces runout and solves the vibration that normal balancing can't. So here's the rule of thumb. Use behind the spoke when customers want hidden weights. Use split weight when the spoke blocks your correction point. Use static mode when you want to balance on only a single plane. Use light truck mode for light truck and medium duty assemblies. And use ProMatch when you need to solve runout issues and ride complaints. With the right mode for the job, you'll get accurate results, happy customers, and fewer comebacks. If you have any questions about balancing modes on the E900, drop them in the comments below. If you want more information about the ProBalance E900 or other Coats products, contact your local Coats sales or service representative.